about to go beast mode and bury these people. It's dope that I'm spitting addictive like heroin needles. I don't really like these preppy rappers, they very deceitful. That's why I spit acid to burn through American Eagle. Ha! So fuck your feelings, bitch. Y'all can eat a dick. You about as hip-hop as Lil Wayne wearing cheetah print. I beat the shit out your father for not keeping his penis in his pants. I'm as sick as cancerous, you cannot defeat this kid. See, I'm a hyperactive psychopathic nutcase, for the reason like the fact you might get wrapped in duct tape. Stay up late, dog, I studied the craft and mastered it, immaculate. Y'all think I fronted like it was an accident. I'm sick of these basic actors, kiddie song rappers. Get your story straight, you reading from the wrong chapter. I lost my mind a while ago, this is long after. Now I'm here to rescue bars like John Taffer. Rah, rah.